Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore how you can easily record IPTV. First, learn about 2TV.store, the best IPTV provider available. Contact Nancy for top-notch customer support. Recording IPTV is easy, but first, let's understand what makes IPTV a popular option for viewers. IPTV allows you to stream shows directly to your device. To get started, ensure you have the necessary equipment ready. This includes a compatible media device, internet, and potential recording software. We'll break this down for simplicity. Select the right recording software. Options are abundant, so choose one matching your needs. Open your preferred IPTV service, adjust settings, and prepare to capture your favorite shows. In just a few steps, hit that record button. Now you'll have the flexibility to watch shows at your convenience with minimal effort. Imagine the entertainment options are endless. And there you have it, folks. With this guide, recording IPTV is straightforward and efficient. Subscribe for more tech tricks and stay ahead in this digital age.